Hello, this is Jacob with Environmental Works. I'm at 639 Southwest Miller Court in Gresham to perform a video sewer line inspection to determine the serviceability of the sewer line going from the house to the city main. I've accessed the line today through a 3-inch ABS cleanout located in the side patio along the home. I'm currently in a horizontal lateral now with some cold water flowing, so at this point I'll set my foot marker to read 0 and begin my inspection. We don't have the best visibility right now, but we will be cleaning off the camera head, so our pullback looks better. There's quite a bit of grease buildup in this line. Thank you. I took a moment to open up the manhole. It does appear we've made it past the city main connections. We're going to go ahead and pull back through. And we'll see if we're in the manhole right here. All right, we've located the connection to the city main at approximately 110 feet and 14 feet 6 inches deep, marked out with a bit of white paint for the angle entering the manhole. We go ahead and begin our pullback. Still some amount of grease trapped on this camera head, so we're going to go ahead and just pull out and redo our inspection. Alright, we went ahead and cleaned out that camera lens and sent it back down. Now we have a clear picture. So we'll begin our pullback now. Property line, and we'll go ahead and mark that out. So we got some amount of water draining out from our second push, so we'll just be keeping an eye on it, making sure there's no amount of pooling. Go ahead and get a locate on this spot. Located this spot at the property line, approximately 10 feet deep, marked out with some white paint. Some amount of debris stuck to the walls, the line. Here we can see potentially a secondary clean out or a test tee. We'll go ahead and get a locate on this. Unfortunately, this fitting is inaccessible due to it being in a blackberry patch off the edge of the property. So we'll go ahead and keep pulling back. A few cobwebs on some of these joints, but so far no root intrusions or obvious damage or separation. We'll go ahead and attempt to get a locate on this spot. We go ahead and pull back a few more feet and then get our locate. Located this spot approximately 4 feet deep in the middle of the driveway, marked out with some white chalk. We'll go ahead and get a locate on this position. Located this spot approximately 2 feet deep in the side patio, marked out with some white chalk. Gotcha, gotcha. I'll be out of here in about 10 feet. Some potential pooling at approximately 9 feet. Go ahead and pull back through. Right. Appears to have just been minor pooling, because I am using a micro camera currently. Beginning at approximately 1 foot. Alright, we'll go ahead and continue our pullback. We are coming out of the cleanout. And this concludes the video sewer line inspection for 639 Southwest Miller Court in Gresham. The serviceability of the sewer line appears to be functioning properly, and no recommendations are needed at this time.